Hello college athletes, I'm Alicia Valdez, a registered dietitian, and I'm here today to talk to you about caffeine use. You may be wondering if it is legal to use in the NCAA, and the answer is yes. As long as your urine does not go over 15 micrograms per milliliter, then you will be considered legal. To go over that amount, you would have to consume 8 cups of coffee that contain 100 milligrams of caffeine. The recommended dosage for caffeine is to take 3 to 6 milligrams per kilogram about 60 minutes prior to performance. Anything over 6 milligrams per kilogram has shown to have no added benefit. If you are an athlete that weighs 150 pounds, which is 68 kilograms, the minimum intake would be 225 milligrams of caffeine, which is 3 milligrams per kilogram. And if you abstain from caffeine use 24 hours prior to performance, you may also see an enhanced benefit of taking that amount of caffeine. Some other benefits include that caffeine can stimulate muscle contraction by altering or increasing the uptake of calcium. It can increase cardiac output. It can reduce the perceived rate of pain and exertion that one is experiencing. And it can ultimately help you train longer and harder, increase mental alertness to provide greater concentration. Some disadvantages of caffeine use is that we do have responders and non-responders. So some people may not respond and be able to improve performance through caffeine intake. Other side effects that can be negative to performance is feeling of anxiety, restlessness, nausea, and headaches. And athletes that may benefit from caffeine include endurance athletes, specifically working about 70 to 75% VO2 max for 15 to 120 minutes. Some examples would be running, doing time trials, or cycling to exhaustion. And we also see benefits in strength and power performance athletes. An example would be soccer athletes, and for the reason that it is a short-term high intensity event. Thank you so much for your time. I hope this is helpful.